Today is a celeb-inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to be recreating the iconic Gauri Khan's eyeshadow. You can use any colors, but I'm just going to show you a technique that I think she uses. If you're ready, let's get into today's video. Our first step will be to prime our eyelids with a Trinity London Just a Touch concealer in the shade Santa. Now going in with the Cosmos palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the shade Comet with the ColourPop E16 Brush, let's apply that on the eye. This is the transition shade. Apply the shade on the lower lash line too. To deepen out the eyes, we're going in with the shade Mars on the ColourPop E16 brush. Apply this to the outer corner of the eye first. Blend some into the crease line to define it. And now with any fluffy brush, blend it out. Do the same on the lower lash line too. With the shade Dark Matter on the Sigma E42 brush, we're going to be deepening out the outer corner of the eye. You want to build up this color very slowly, as these shades are pretty pigmented. And now use a blending brush to blend those colors in. But do not overdo this. Going in with the shade Dark Matter again, let's do the same on the lower lash line. Bring that to only the back half of the eye. With the Sigma E21 brush, we're going to be using the shade Dark Matter and precisely lining the front half of the lower lash line. Your eye should look something like this now. With the Bobbi Brown black Kajal pencil, let's line the bottom lash line and also tight line the upper lash line. With the shade Sun, we're going to be applying this with a brush on the eye. Remember, you can use any shimmer shade at this stage. She normally goes in for a bronze or a gold shade. And back in with the shade Mars, let's blend that out onto the shimmer. Your eyes will look something like this at this stage. Use a lash curler to curl your lashes. And then go in with your favorite lengthening mascara and apply that on your lashes. I love the L'Oreal Panorama mascara because it doesn't clump up and it gives you instant length and volume too. And there you have it, guys. This is the eyeshadow tutorial that I promised you by the iconic Gauri Khan. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys. Bye.